Hi, Panther class. This is Miss Lisa's Crafty Corner, and today we're going to make flower pens. So what you would need for this is some ink pens, some floral tape, and this is to decorate the vase that I've gotten, some wire cutters, and some flowers. These are some flowers, the pens, the floral tape, everything that I got from the Dollar Tree, which everything costs $1. It's fantastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a flower. I want some sunflowers, and you're going to cut it. Make sure you have an adult to help you with these. You don't want to cut your fingers. You're going to take your flower. This is a pretty one. And you're going to take your pen. And you're going to put it together. Hold it together like this. And you're going to wrap the floral tape around it. Make sure you go on the top. And you're just going to wrap it going around. It may take a little bit of practice. I've done thousands of these probably over the years. So I'm pretty fast at it. Okay, we're going to wrap it around. And the floral tape is a little sticky. So it's going to keep the flower right next to the pen, nice and good. So we're going to take another one. I'm going to show you again. And this is a pretty flower. I love the colors on this one. And we're going to wrap it up with the floral tape. There you go. It's like, I like flowers. They're so pretty. I'm being silly. Okay. And tear it off. And there you go. We have another one. So we're going to do one more. And this is great for a gift for somebody. For Mother's Day. It's going to be coming up soon. And you can make them, give them away to somebody that you really, really like. And they could use it to write nice notes. Or do some homework. Or just to have around looking really pretty. Okay, so we got this one finished. So what we're going to do next, we have a bunch of flowers. I did some already. So we have a bunch of flowers. I have here some shredded paper. So we're going to take the vase and we're going to put some shredded paper in there. You could do colored paper. You could do the little stuff you put in for Easter baskets. You could put in all kinds of stuff just to make it look real nice. Okay, put some more. Don't want to get this all over the place. All right. Then what we're going to do next, I'm going to take one of these. I think I like this one. And what I'm going to do is tie it around. Let's see. Maybe turn it this way so you can see. Let's tie it in a knot. There you go. Crisscross. And have this hanging down. All right. Ooh. And then next, I'm going to put the flowers in. Okay. And you can arrange them any way you want. And you can use all kind of colors with the flowers to make it real pretty. Okay, and here you go. You have a nice bouquet of flowers in a vase, which would be very great to give to someone. I'm going to give this to my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. I think she would really like it. And she loves to write all the time in her journal. So this will make a perfect gift for her. I like to say, have a great day. Have a great week. And be strong. And always be wonderful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, Panther friends.